sakay sa loob ng Cebu Pacific, pero medyo mas malaki itong sinakyan ko ngayon going to Manila. Yan.
Inward to release air.
So yung
Light
mga idol,
automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do
start
not
na po
inflate
kami para
life
sa
vests inside the aircraft.
puntang Maynila.
Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law.
In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it.
In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be
So yun po, abangan nyo na lang po ang
Is equipped with a slide
paglapag namin doon sa may Manila
Guests must leave their bags and move
Terminal
to the
3
flexible exits.
Airport
There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin.
sa may
Operation of the
Terminal
device is
3
indicated on the equipment itself.
Manila. Thank you. Idol, nakarating na po kami sa may Terminal 3 Manila. Yan po mga idol. Ang oras ngayon ay alas 8:30 ng gabi. Yan po. Tama, ako'y nagpapasalamat na rin na nakarating kami dito ng matiwasay. Thank you so much sa pagtulong sa prayer. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon. Maraming sa lahat. Po, nasa Maynila na po kami. Thank you. Yan po mga idol. Nakarating na po kami dito sa Manila Airport, NAIA Terminal 3. Yan po mga idol. So maraming salamat na rin po sa lahat. Nakarating kami dito ng Matiyasay. So ang oras po natin ngayon ay 8:45 ng gabi. Yan po ang kasama ko mga passenger ng Cebu Pacific to Manila. mga idol at ang latest update ngayong gabing ito. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo at magustuhan niyo itong paano ako mag-travel from Surigao to Cebu to Manila International Airport. Ngayon nakarating na po ako dito sa Manila, dito sa Terminal 3 po. Yan mga idol, makikita itong lugar na ito. Yan po, thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. Ingat po tayo palagi. Yun, God bless po. Maraming salamat na rin po sa pagsusuporta, pagsubaybay ng aking mga videos. Thank you. God bless po. See you sa ating next vlog.